Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So if you're craving something sweet but still healthy, I've got you. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this yummy and creamy banana drink. Here I've got some well-wrapped bananas which I'm going to cut and freeze for some hours, but you can skip this method and use it direct right away. And here we've got our frozen banana. So here are all the ingredients we'll be using for this our creamy banana drink. I've cut and frozen my banana. So this is the frozen banana I'll be using. We'll be adding yogurt, coconut, some peanuts or granite, and I'll be using oat milk. You can use any milk of your choice. Remember, we said we want it yummy, healthy. So that is it. So this is simple to make. All I'll do is to add everything into my blender and blend away. Banana, peanuts, the coconuts, and the yogurt. Cheers.